Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI MatePad 11.5 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find System and Updates. Now let's tap on Reset option, and here Reset Network Settings. Let's tap on it. As you can see, your device will inform you what it will actually reset, so Wi-Fi and the Bluetooth. Let's tap on Reset Network Settings, and here we've got also the information that this operation cannot be undone. So just tap on Reset Network Settings, and as you can see, we've got this information that we just successfully reset all network preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.